over that cold air, and the rain doesn't have time to refreeze into sleet pellets. So now we have to deal with accumulating ice. Just 1/10 of an inch makes roads and sidewalks extremely slippery. 1/4 of an inch can break branches and cause spotty power outages. And once you're over 1/2 inch, serious problems ensue. Ice storms can cause
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Portage County, eastern Stark County, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Mogador, or 2 miles south of Talmadge, and moving at 13 miles per hour. In addition, at Brimfield, a rotating wall cloud was reported by law enforcement at 11:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing pea-sized hail as well. Locations impacted include Alliance, Brimfield, Oakville, Limaville, Mogador, Randolph, Talmadge, and Sebring. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Mahoning County until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles west of Atwater, moving east-southeast at 11 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Doppler radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Alliance, Limaville, and Sebring. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado emergency for Alliance. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Mahoning County, southern Portage County, and eastern Stark County. At 12:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Hartville, moving east at 21 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Alliance. This is a particularly lethal situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. You can be killed, if not in an underground shelter at this time. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Human life survival is unlikely if remaining above ground. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is anticipated, and complete destruction is inevitable. The tornado will be near Limaville around 12:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Alliance around 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Maple Ridge around 12:42 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sebring around 12:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Belwickey around 12:58 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Damascus around 1:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and Salem around 1:26 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Sheltering outdoors is not an option. Do not wait to hear sirens. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.
Is rain.